Mae Davies sy'n cael y bil. Fe'n dod mewn. A draws y ca at Nathan Wood ar yr asgell arall. Wood yn dod fewn. Wood yn ogydio hunan i'r gornel ucha. A Mike Lewis yn arbed yn dda. Nathan Wood yn gofyn y cwestiwn. Ac ateb Mike Lewis yn glir. Angen neud yn well na hynna i giro fi. Cic gornel yn cael ei cymryd yn fyr. Nathan Wood! Hyfryd! O'i ar y maes ymarfer. Mael Davies yn flicio yn ôl. Nathan Wood tro yma. Yn curo Mike Lewis i roi Pen-y-bont ar y blaen. 2 funud ar ôl i'r Barri. Cael gol bach cyn hanner amser. Clayton Green. Clayton Green. A Travis. Rheoli yn dda. Fan anffodus iddo fe. Ddim yn rheoli rediad. Edrych fel bydd Pen-y-bont yn mynd mewn o hanner amser gyda gol o fantes. Sgwni wedodd Gavin Chesterfield wrth i dîm ar y hanner. David Cottrell. O, sicr wedi cael ei ysbrydoli. Yn ergyd yn crymanu i'r gornel isa o'n Ashley Morris arbediad Pen-y-gamp. Gemma Hudson. Tipyn o le i Gemma Hudson. Ond yn rhy araf fel mae Gavin Chesterfield yn gadael ni wybod. Nathan Wood. Mae'n le i Wood. Dwi ddim rhy araf. Nathan Wood yn dal i fynd. Gadael i at Ashley Evans. Cain Owen! Gwych! Cyd chwarae gan Pen-y-bont. Cain Owen yn ymestyn. Mantes. Pen-y-bont. A Brwsese. Gwastraffus gan Rhys a Brwsese. Ashley Evans mlaen at Lewis Harling. Y cam i fewn. Lewis Harling at Lewis Clutton. Lewis Clutton! Dros y trawst. Mike Lewis neud digon i amharu ar yr ergyd.
Yeah, really pleased. I thought the boys played really well today. I thought Barry played well in patches. It was a tightly contested game, really, but 2 good goals to win it. And our 13th clean sheet out of 26 games. That's some record.
Terribly disappointed with the way we started the game. Thereafter, for about the first 15 minutes, I thought we were off the pace. Thereafter, before half-time, I thought that we played some really good football. I thought we had some good structures about this. Probably didn't create too much, if I'm being honest, but really happy with the way we moved the ball. At half-time, we talked about defending the transition. And unfortunately, we didn't take heed, and obviously that's led to the second goal. Second half, probably a pretty even affair. I'd say we sort of huffed and puffed, but I wouldn't say that we probably deserved anything from the game. But yeah, I wouldn't say there was masses between the two teams either.
That win does take you 5 points clear of Barry in that race. How confident are you of pushing on and getting that spot?
Well, we're in a good position now. We've got a tough game now away at Carnarvon. Barry are capable of beating teams, and we're capable of losing against teams if we're not careful. So it's far from over, but obviously we're in a good position now.